This video will show you how to create a one-page project in Adobe Spark Video. We'll be using a poem with a picture as an example. So you'll start by clicking on the red plus button down on the bottom to start your new project. And here I'm going to type in the title of my project, of my poem, and I'm going to write a poem about pugs. So I'll type in pugs and I'll click on next. And then here down in the bottom left you'll see start from scratch. That's what we want to do, is we want to start from scratch rather than picking a story template. So I'll click on start from scratch. And before I click on any of these choices here, if you look at the very top, there's layout, themes, resize, and music. If I click on layout, today we're going to choose between two layouts, those first two, either full screen or split screen. If we click on full screen, your picture will take up the entire screen and your text will be over the top of it. If we click on split screen, your picture will be on one side and all of your text will be on the other. So I'm going to click on full screen and choose full screen, where my picture is going to take up the whole screen and my text will be on top of it. So we'll start with the photo. So I'll tap on photo. And here I have a couple of options. If I've taken a picture previously on the iPad, I could click on my iPad and then choose the photo that I've already taken. But I'm going to search for a photo at the top left there where it says find free photos. So I'll tap on find free photos, and then I'm going to search for pug and then click on search. And you can see I've got quite a few choices here. Let's see here. I think from my project, I'm going to choose this one right here. Now when the picture comes in, if you want, you can resize it a little bit. I think I would, let's make mine right about like that. There we go. Now I need to add some text over the top of mine. So I click on the plus button and I'll tap on text. Now as you type in the text, it's pretty big at first, but as you type more and more, it'll resize it. So I'll type the title of my poem in first, pugs, and hit return. And I'll start my first line here. Cute, playful, cuddly, and then I hit return. Now as I keep on typing, that cute, playful, cuddly will go back onto one line. But I've got it all saved here already. So to save time for the demonstration here, I'm going to delete this and then just paste in my poem. So here's my final poem. Now as I continued typing, the text got smaller, so my text all stayed on one line. Now once I have my poem, there's a couple of different things I can do. Well, first let's take a look at under the layout up at the very top. I'm going to click on layout and show you what this would look like if we had chosen split screen. If we had chosen split screen, now we can see my words are aligned on the left, but we want them centered. So all I have to do is I can drag my text around the screen a little bit. So if I move it to the middle, my text becomes centered. So that works well there. All right, so now I'm ready now to record my voice. So the record icon there, you can see, you tap and hold it and then talk. You have a limit of 30 seconds when you do that. So you tap and hold and then talk. And for the purposes of this tutorial video, I won't do that, but that's all you have to do. And then once you've recorded your voice, you have the option of adding some music. So if we look at the very top up here, layout, themes, resize, and music, I can tap on music and I can choose a song and I can listen to the songs. They're not playing right now, but they will when you tap on them. And then I can adjust the volume. Because we want your voice to be heard, it's best to leave the volume down pretty low. And so whichever song you choose, it'll be in the background with your voice playing over it. Now once we've done that, we're ready to share our project. And the next video will show us how to do that. Now you don't have to save your project, it's automatically saved. Remember, you're limited to a 30-second video when you create yours. So that's how you create a project, a one-page project in Adobe Spark Video.